In this video, I will show with you step by step how to open Banque Postale, La Banque Postale app. So friends, go to Google, search for La Banque Postale, this keyword to search. After that, click the official website here. And then friends, you will see this page. From here, click open account. When you click open account, choose this one, open a bank account or app. So guys, and then choose open my account now. After that, read all this term and conditions and click I confirm that I read on this one. Click continue and then choose you can open. You will need to proof of address, credit card, a valid European identity document. Click continue and then choose your bank card you want to apply for this. You can choose your details. You have 6 months free. You have next 6 months up to 50%. Choose anyone and choose this one more for choice insurance. And then you can read or download this insurance product. Click continue. From here, click order. This account used to be if you want to use main account or sub account. Click order if you have any order. And then click continue. After that, choose the paying into this account. Choose for one, for example, your salary. And then upload your identity here. Click continue. You write your email address, friends. When you write your email address, for example, this is my email address, and then write your email address, confirm your email address. After that, click continue. You will receive message on your email address to verification your account. Write your phone number here, friends. When you write your phone number, upload your documents and complete these steps. Verify your identity and your payment, add your credit card on your account. This is how you can do to open up. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.